If you work in Figma, knowing how to ungroup layers is one of those small skills that saves a lot of time. It is especially useful when you want to edit individual elements inside a group design, move things around separately, or make quick changes without affecting the whole layout. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to ungroup in Figma in just a few seconds. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and go to the design you want to edit. On the canvas, find the group or frame that you want to ungroup. You'll know it's grouped if multiple layers are locked together and behave like one object when you click on them. Now click once to select the group. After selecting it, right-click on the group to open the context menu. This menu gives you a list of editing options for that selected element. From the options that appear, look for Ungroup and click it. As soon as you click Ungroup, Figma will separate the grouped layers back into individual elements. That means each item can now be selected, moved, resized, or edited on its own. If you accidentally selected the wrong object, just click away and try again. If the group contains several nested layers, you may need to ungroup more than once depending on how it was originally organized. That's really all there is to it. Select the group, right-click, and choose Ungroup. It's quick, simple, and very helpful when you want more control over your Figma design. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.